Flex fuel. What's that all about? Let's go. What up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you once again on fixing of the car. Well, anyways, we're not fixing the car today. I want here to talk about a way to save you some cash in your pocket on this gas system. Now, well, this is the thing. A lot of people didn't know, or you know something? I'm gonna be for real. I got friends out here that's driving around in the new SS Impala, the new Chevy Volt, and what else I haven't seen them with. I done seen a couple of cars out here that they driving that's like gas guzzlers, V8s. But the thing is, they got the flex fuel, and they don't even know they haven't checked no education or did anything on it. Well, I did some work on it. Anyways, I got me a right here is a Dodge. Of course, it's for the family van. But anyways, I got it with the flex fuel. Reason why is because when I was doing the research, and I'm talking to these people that's out here about to go buy them a fresh new whip for the new year or whatever. Please, I ask you guys. I'm gonna look at you. I'm asking you guys. Please look into flex fuel. You will be surprised. The price is different. It burns a lot cleaner in your car. Only thing that it is, like, perfect example, I'm going to use my van for an example. The van's supposed to get like 17 to 25 on the highway, okay, using regular high-end gas. But when you use flex fuel in here, you're supposed to have lack of getting your proper gas mileage. 23, 24 per gallon versus the 25 on the highway. It's not going to make that much of a difference if there's a difference in the price in your pocket. Last time I went, I wish I could flip this over while I was talking. I know what I do. I'll just flip it over. Hold on. Okay. I done flipped it over. Now check out my gas mileage here. Check out my gas. Excuse me on the sun. I'm going to get a little sun visor here. If you can't see it, maybe I can block a little bit of it. I guess I can. Anyway, you see where my gas is? It's on full. Now, I filled that up preferably about 4 days ago. Not lying. 4 days. I've been driving around town just to see if it was going to make a difference in the regular fuel versus the flex fuel. And I haven't seen a difference. Now, the reason why I tell you about the flex fuel, because it saves money in your pocket. It's way cheaper. In California, it's not that many of them. Okay, you don't have that many of these flex fuels in here. But if you can locate one and find out where it is, you can use flex fuel in these vehicles, which is a lot cheaper. Okay, I use Chevron all the time. Chevron to me is $3.40, $3.50, $3.60, $3.79. We're almost at that $4 a gallon. Well, the same Chevron with flex fuel was only like $2.49 to $2.79, because I didn't see it from $2.49 to $2.79. It depends on where you go. $2.49 now, when all the other prices is $3.59, $3.49, $3.39. Yes, sir. Pump, and it'll say E85, and the reason why it's E85, which is ethanol. And what they did is they didn't pretty much put 85% ethanol, 15% gas, which means your vehicle has to be a flex fuel vehicle to burn this in your car. So don't get out there and go put ethanol in your regular car and try to use it, because I don't think it will really work. I'm scared to even try it, and I wouldn't tell you to try it, but I don't think it'll work. So please get the vehicle with the flex fuel on it, and you will be surprised. You will be a happy camper. I don't care if you're rich, and I'm really talking to the people that's poor. I know you get tired of spending $3 and $4 a gallon in gas, especially if you got a gas guzzler. I got the hot V6 right here with the 3.6, smashing on people in they Dodge Chargers, Challengers, and all that in the minivan. But my thing is, this whole video is telling you, do your research on the E85, do your research on the ethanol, do your research on Flexfuel. Check to make sure. You see this? If you read on the gas tank, it's telling you E85 gasoline. That's another thing you look for. And actually the pumps is right here. E85. And it's always usually it's yellow, a bright yellow to let you know that it's different. And it tells you if your car only uses gasoline, this is only for Flexfuel. Don't use it for regular gasoline. And the price of it is $2.49 now, when all the other prices is $3.59, $3.49, $3.39. And you'll find out it burns cleaner in your car, helps your car last longer. The only thing that's bad about it is you don't get your gas sufficient mileage, which is 17 to 25 miles to the gallon. Whatever your car is with the Flexfuel, whichever one says that, it doesn't get that fuel in the car. So, but it's off just a little bit, but it makes a difference in your pocket. I repeat, it makes a difference in your pocket. So what I'm telling you is go ahead and check that out. Make sure you try out the Flexfuel vehicles when you go out to purchase you one. So that's all I got to say. That's all I'm here to talk about. Check it out. E85 is what it's called at the pump. Look for the yellow pump. And that's it. MoPro coming at you once again. Peace.